Right guys, Ed Shed, and this is just a video to show you the sort of things I'm struggling with at the moment. Flooding coming in massively. Thankfully it stopped before we go any further. But I haven't stopped. I have been working. I have been struggling. I have been assemblationing. I'm not welded yet, but I have been cleaning and doing it sort out. So this is my homemade crow's feet. I replaced the ends of the chassis legs, which I'm doing, which I've got in place tested first. Obviously this is me homemade crow's feet, which is obviously factory. That's going to go, as you can see, quite nicely in there. I mean, that does fit. Obviously I've got to repair all this yet, but don't, hey, obviously don't get too sort of judgmental about how bad things are. We've cleaned it all up, and we've got this. This needs trimming up here because this is fouling, and this is bending, as you can see. Look, it's bending away, which is causing me a bit of earache. So I've got to sort that, but the rest of it I think is not bad. And I've obviously got the pieces already made for there, but I haven't got these made to the side. I've got them ready over there. I haven't made them, but I have cut it out. But yeah, so just a quick sort of thing to say that I think it'll look alright. I think it'll be fine once I get that in place. I've got a strip to go in the top to make a new top on all of it, which I'm going to spot weld on 3.5 inches. I'm going to cut out of that piece of there. Once I do that, but with the rain like it is, it just keeps happening there. So we have done a bit. We solved the roof leak up the drive, and then only discovered there's another roof leak, so that's not exactly bad. And as I said before, I mean, obviously this water under here is just very, very bad. But I think my next thing will be take that back off and then get these aligned and then get them tacked on where I want them, level the end of the chassis. And I think from that point of view, once that's level, hopefully I'll be able to get in there and tack that in, and then tack this in to here, replace that one which is over there on the floor, and that then should brace my front end back together. Hopefully my brace won't be quite as important as it seems to be, but we'll see. We're not going to be getting all how do you say, fed up with it, because at the moment it's actually looking pretty good. It's just with the weather like this, it blows the gas away when you start welding. So it's not an easy thing to weld when the gas is being blown away by a thunderstorm. So, and now the bloody seagulls have arrived. So obviously the Gulf Stream's changed direction, and we're about to all freeze in a perfect vortex. At least I won't have to finish this bleeding car. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye for now.